If there was an issue at your office impacting half of your workforce's ability to do their jobs well, you'd do everything you could do to fix it. Here's a hard truth the 2024 study uncovered. Nearly half of your employees will have a legal issue outside of work that distracts them from doing the job you're paying them to do. But there is something you can do about it. Here's an example of someone you might have in your office right now. Let me tell you about Jack. Jack had always been a dependable employee, focused, productive, and a team player. But over the last few months, something changed. He started missing deadlines, making costly mistakes, and calling in sick more often. His manager noticed, but didn't know what was going on until Jack opened up. Jack wasn't just distracted. He was drowning in personal legal problems he didn't know how to handle. He was dealing with a landlord dispute. His landlord was trying to evict him over past rent, even though Jack said he was caught up. On top of that, a creditor was suing him for unpaid medical bills from a fall he had last year. None of the people Jack needed to talk to were open after work, so he spent hours making calls, researching online, and scrambling to figure out his options while at the office. The stress kept him up all night, left him distracted during the day, and was affecting his performance at work. And Jack isn't alone. 79% of employees experience legal issues that could benefit from legal counsel. Yet only 18% ever seek professional help. When a person is struggling financially, legal resources seem out of reach. Jack's problems became his employer's problems too. A 2024 study of U.S. employees found that when they face legal troubles, 49% say legal stress impacts their personal and professional lives. 25% have to take time off work to handle their legal matters. 42% spend between 6 and 15 hours of work time trying to resolve their legal issues. That's weeks of lost productivity. But it doesn't have to be this way. Across town, another company had a similar employee, Jill, who was facing a sudden legal issue, a custody dispute with her ex-spouse. But unlike Jack, Jill's employer had Legal Fix as part of their benefits package. Instead of Googling for answers or making frantic calls during work hours, Jill knew what to do. She went to Legal Fix. Instantly, she had access to curated, state-specific legal articles giving her reliable information. She was able to request a free consultation with an attorney in the Legal Fix network right from the platform. Within a few days, she had legal documents prepared and a plan of action. And she saved 25% off of her legal fees. She never had to miss a full day of work scrambling for legal help. Jill's problem didn't disappear overnight, but she wasn't alone. She had affordable, accessible legal representation. She had someone fighting on her side. And for her employer, no loss in productivity. Legal issues don't stay personal for long. They show up in missed work, distractions, and mistakes that cost employers time and money. That's why 72% of Fortune 500 companies offer legal benefits. And now small and mid-sized businesses can too. With Legal Fix, your employees get access to top-tier attorneys with a discount off their normal fees, legal help for landlord disputes, debt lawsuits, family law, estate planning, and more, and a solution that reduces stress and keeps employees focused on work. And for less than $1 a day per employee, you get a more productive, engaged workforce. The cost of distracted employees adds up quickly. The cost of Legal Fix is a fraction of that. This is an easy way to eliminate a distraction that 79% of your employees will face. Can you afford not to? To learn more about how to help your employees minimize the stress and financial worries of everyday legal issues and keep those distractions out of the workplace, ask your employee benefits broker to contact us at legalplans@legalfix.com.